Today we're in Ridgecrest. We're at Las Flores Elementary School, and today we're here to... Today we're at Las Flores Elementary School, and I've got Kanon with me. How are you?
Good.
You ready to roll?
Yep.
Let's go. What do we have to do? Go ahead and read that for us.
What fraction of 2 feet is 3 inches?
Okay, so what do we have to find out?
How much is 3 inches in 2 feet?
Okay, so what would you like to do first? How should we go about this?
We should write how much that is.
Okay, 2 feet?
Yep.
So here, the first thing we have to look at is we have feet and inches.
Yeah.
They're in 2 different measurements, aren't they?
Yes.
Right, one's feet, one's inches.
Yeah.
So we should get them both the same.
Yes.
So would you rather work with feet or inches?
Feet.
We could, but how about we work with inches?
Okay.
All right, so let's take this, first of all, and turn that into inches. So how many inches in 1 foot?
12.
Right, so how many are in 2 feet?
24.
Okay, so let's say what fraction of, we can say 24 inches is 3 inches.
Yeah.
Right, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, all we do is take feet and convert it into inches.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we want to know what part of 24 is 3.
21.
Well, if we subtracted them,
Yeah.
that's what it would be.
Yeah.
Okay, if I have, let's say there are 3 boys in a classroom,
Okay.
and there are 7 people altogether,
Yeah.
right? So 3 out of 7 are boys,
Yeah.
okay? How many would be girls?
4.
4, okay? Let's say I had, well, let's go ahead and do this. How many inches do we want to find out?
3.
3. Go ahead and put a 3. Out of how many?
Out of 24.
Okay, so go ahead and put your fraction bar in 24. Right? So we want to find out what 3 out of 24 is.
Yes.
Right? So what fraction of 24 inches is 3 inches, right? So we
Yeah.
want 3 out of 24.
Yes.
Okay? So is there a way that we can simplify that? So simplifying fractions is, let's say we have 5 out of 15.
Yep.
Is there anything that will go into 5 and 15?
Wait, what?
Is there a
Can
number
you-
that will go into 5 and will go into 15?
5.
5 will, right?
Yeah.
So we'll divide each of these by 5.
Okay.
And what do we get?
That one is 3, and that one is 1.
Okay, so go ahead and write it the way it should be now. There you go, 1 over 3, right?
Yep.
Just as you said, right? 15 divided by
Yeah.
5 is 3.
Yes.
Okay, so we know that 5 out of 15, 5/15 is the same thing as 1/3, 1 out of
Yes.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have 3 out of 24.
Yes.
Is there a number that will go into both 3 and 24?
No. Wait. Yes. No.
No?
No.
Okay, what goes into 3?
1,
1. Anything else?
2.
Well, 2 can't. It won't go in there evenly, right? Because if you count by 2s, you go 2, 4, we
Yeah.
skip 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so what
So-
else goes into 3?
3.
3. All right. So we know that 1 and 3 will go into 3.
Yes.
What goes into 24?
2. 8. 6. 4s. And 16?
No. Good. Well, you can go 8 plus 8 is 16.
Yeah.
So you're thinking about adding it, right?
Yeah.
And you'll get to 24 by adding another 8.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know these will go in there. Well, 2 goes into 24 how many times? 2 times what is 24?
10.
Because you were close with 10,
Yeah.
right? Because 2 times
Yeah.
10 is 20, but we got to get a little higher.
13.
So 2 times 12.
12. Yes.
Okay, so we can put 12 here, right? Because 2 times 12, they go together, right? They
Yeah.
make 24.
Yes.
6 times what makes 24?
4.
Okay, 6 times 4.
Yeah.
And 8 times what? There's nothing else here. So,
Yeah.
because you know 8 goes into 24.
Yeah. 3.
Okay, so we can put 3 here, right?
Yes.
So what goes into 3 and 24?
3.
3. So like we did here, divide each of those numbers by 3.
So, 1.
Good. So what we'll do is we'll put, because some students might, because you did this in your head,
Yeah.
so we'll go 3 divided by 3 is 1, 24 divided by 3
Yes.
is 8.
Yeah.
So read the problem again.
What fraction of 2 feet is 3 inches?
And what fraction did we come up with?
1/8.
1/8, okay?
Yes.
Now if we take 8, now think about this. If we take 8 and multiply it by 3, what will we get?
24.
And that's what we were looking for, right?
Yes.
Kanon? Nice work.